Today we're going to talk about the inversion table. It's an inversion table because, of course, your body's inverted. Now, what's important here, what I'm showing you is, and I did this on purpose because some people get a little apprehensive about if these are safe. My subject here, my brother, is 250 pounds. And this inversion table safely keeps him in place doing exactly what is necessary for him. Of course, we got to take the necessary precautions, and that's why he is uh, doing putting together this Velcro around his ankles, which is something he's doing just for the video, because usually he doesn't do that. He just puts that brace that you see there, that moving brace. He puts it flush against his ankles, and usually that's enough. But for the purpose of this video, he's doing it, and I recommend actually for you to use the Velcros. Now, there's the steps that he's taking, and then you see in on the right, you're going to see the different angles, and this serves as a break. This is very important that you put that on because that's going to determine the angle of the that the inversion table is going to go. And when you're a beginner, it's preferable that you do it in intervals. So you first do, that minimum angle, which is uh very easy to do, right? And it's also perfect for you to get used to it. And then as time progresses, or as you get more confident, then you increase the angle. So now the angle is further uh, uh, along, and with each movement, you are going to feel the pulling effect that's going to decompress your vertebrae, which is the whole purpose of doing this inversion table. You could do it. I mean, if you don't have an inversion table, you can of course hang from a monkey bar. But if you have one of these, which I recommend, it's going to be awesome because what happens is you can have this as part of your daily routine, or maybe 3 times a week, where you know do this. And now he's almost uh all the way upside down basically. And of course there's different exercises and things that you can do when doing there, like you can stretch your arm like he's doing right there. There's also a pad that he doesn't use because we're recording this in Puerto Rico and it gets hot, but there's a pad that heats your back, so you could put it there. It heats your back while you're doing this, and it vibrates a little. It makes the whole experience more enjoyable. Um, but what's important is for you to do it in intervals and do it where you can feel comfort instead of stress.